TP-Link launches its new Powerline adapter kit, which also allows the home electrical network to be used as an internet network. The internet connection has become much more important in every room and in every part of the house these days when we are at home because of the corona epidemic. However, for some structural reasons, quality and regular internet connection is not possible in many houses and rooms. For example, it may be a problem to take the internet to each floor in story houses or in a flat with single-story but thick walls and abundant corridors. There may be problems in internet access at distant points from the modem. One of the solutions for this problem is Powerline adapters. With Powerline technology, the existing electricity network of the house can also be turned into a line that carries the internet. In this way, the internet is brought to every room, department with an electrical outlet without pulling cables and creating visual pollution. In this context, TP-Link launches a new Powerline adapter kit. The TLP-A4020P model product consists of 2 adapters and can reach connection speeds of up to 600 megabits per second. The product, which can transmit on the electricity line up to 300 meters, is extremely easy to install and use. Powerline adapters can be said to be the easiest to install among network products, and do not require an interface or application installation. One of the 2 adapters is connected to the modem and plugged into an electrical outlet. In this way, the power line is also transmitting the internet. Wherever the other adapter is wanted to access the internet, when it is plugged in, the internet is moved to that room. For network security, it is enough to press the match buttons on both adapters. Thus, a fast and secure internet network is created. All devices that can access the internet can be connected to TLP-A4020P, which provides cable connection support, via Ethernet cable. There are 2 LAN inputs on the adapter. Thus, 2 devices can be connected at the same time. TP-Link's new entry-level Powerline adapter kit TLP-A4020P automatically switches to saving mode when not in use. In this way, it reduces energy consumption by up to 85%. Also, another advantage of this model is the power socket on the adapters. Thus, it provides an additional socket instead of the socket it uses. An additional device or a power strip can be connected to this socket on the adapter, such as a normal wall socket.